Hello, my name is Santiago Flores. Question 1. Where are you going to travel in the month of December? Question 2. What city place are you going to visit? Quito, Ecuador. Question 3. Where are you staying? At my mother house. Question 4. What are you going to bring? Light clothes, they help make to exercise. Question 5. Where are you going to invade on a trip? I will be a solo tribe. Question 6. What activities will you do in the place? I plan to party and play sports. Question 7. How much money will you spend there? About $500. Question 8. Will you bring hand souvenirs from your vacation? Sir, craves more than everything. Thank you. Goodbye.